Hi, baby.
Hi, this is our dolls, and our dolls can stay over here until we can ride the car. Bye. Look.
Can I see you by the window?
Has so many.
Hi, kids.
And Scar, can I have?
Scarlett, I'm here in the window.
Ouch.
Your chair is so high kasi.
Where did it go, mommy? Oh, you're there. Ouch. Okay, but this is the skip pile. Mama, because there's so many stuff in here.
Hi, okay.
Scar.
Why is the car inside?
What? Where are
Scarlett, why is the car inside? It should be outside the house. We don't put cars.
Because Square Alex wanted.
We don't put cars inside. Scar, 30 is awake na. Can you girls move because Kuya Alex needs to ano? Hi girls.